without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too, oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. Cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by ISEEHAIR. Shop you Isee for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Y'all, before I even get into the wig, I want to talk about their packaging. Honey, Isee, I ain't gonna hold this, you be coming through with the packaging. I'm a pink fan, okay? But I've never gotten a wig in the little tote bag that y'all put it in, and then the box is nice, and then you got little princess pink bonnets and a thing of lashes. Like, y'all came through with the come through. So first of all, I want to start there. Your packaging, chef's kiss. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is, they told me it's a newer unit and they wanted me to list these 5 advantages. Now honey, I ain't nobody's actress. I can't remember a line. Like, child, I can barely remember what I ate this morning. So, bear with me. So, okay, it says, among the 5 advantages of our new product, which one attracts you the most? So then they have like a list of 5 advantages. And y'all can comment down below and let me know which one attracts y'all the most. And I'll let y'all know which one attracts me the most, because I already know. So it says, A, the largest lace area achievable in pre-cut wigs. It's a 9.6. So this lace area goes from here to here, and honey, I know I stopped this part here, but it can even go farther back. You see? Y'all see? All right. Removable combs to meet different needs. Now, the combs, like it came with 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, or it may have been 3 combs, child, I don't know, but you can remove them. And then they also gave you extra. And then they also gave me an extra elastic band. And those combs that they have, they're really small in the front, which I love. And like I said, you can take them out or put them in, just depending on what you need. Honey, y'all, don't get me started. Most attentive, the ear shape design. So I'll have a clipper somewhere here so you guys can see that part is my favorite part. You guys know, if you watch me, that I always struggle because I have very large ears, and a lot of times, especially with funnels, but also with closures, because the closures literally will lay on my ear and it hurts. I recently showed my fiance that, like, how the wig will lay on my ear and it really hurts me because I have very large ears. So honey, that is my favorite part of this wig. It says 3D cap design makes lace lay flat and snug along the hairline and tiny knots. So Chrissy, just zoom in, girl. Okay, or just insert the clip when I first put it on, because I feel like you guys can almost see a line of demarcation now because of my bronzer. But look at what this unit look like without any makeup, honey. And there's no adhesive on this wig whatsoever. Okay, there's no adhesive, sis. Okay, but you guys can kind of tell, like, I'm two different colors. I wear a lot of bronzer, so yeah, to me it lays better. It looks better without any makeup, which to me is a super plus, because honestly I don't wear makeup on a daily basis. Like, on a daily basis, honey, this face is not beat. Okay, she's not a beat face. Yeah, and the tiny knots, and I'm pretty sure you guys can see the tiny knots as well. Okay, so the texture of this unit is kinky curly. I know some people like kinky curly, some people don't. I am a fan of kinky curly. It's just like, it looks more natural in my opinion. It's 18 inches long. Now I don't know the density and I don't have the direct link, but check down below in the description box so you guys can get more details and specs on that. Now, shedding and tangling. It does tangle a little bit and it does shed a little bit. It is a kinky curly wig, so I expected some. It wasn't anything excessive, but I like to throw it out there because I know some of y'all like, girl, not sure of the packaging, so I like to let you know. It does shed a little bit, it does tangle a little bit, but I was able to run my hands through it really easily. But I do like to throw it out there. Now, as far as it being big head friendly, I feel like it is friendly across the board. The band that they put on here, the detachable elastic band, makes it where it can get super big or it can get super snug. So in my opinion, it works across the board, but honey, do with that what you want to do with that, because I only got the head that's on my shoulders and I'm in the average cap size. So yeah. And another thing, as far as the hairline, I did not touch her, okay? I didn't touch this wig whatsoever. Literally, the only thing that I did was apply the products that you guys saw me apply, the mousse and stuff. There was nothing else for me to do to this wig. I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't have to tweeze it. I didn't even have to cut no lace. If beginner friendly was a wig, this would be it. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons for the full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because I like to end on a high note, and I ain't gonna hold you, sis, I ain't got none. I don't have any cons for this particular wig. I tried to think of some and I just don't have it. I just don't got it. The only thing I can think of is it may be a con for some people that is a closure. I personally love closures, but I know that that can be a con for some people, and that's the only thing I can come up with. Yeah. As far as the pros are endless. You guys, I already told y'all that the way that it fits my ears, that's my #1 pro. Like, child, everybody take notes, okay? All companies take notes. ISEEHAIR, y'all are doing it, okay? I also love the way the lace is. I love how natural this unit looks, and it looks natural very effortlessly. You know, I love the texture, the tiny knots, the pre-bleach, all the things, y'all, all the things, okay? So those are my pros. Obviously, I would recommend this wig. Like, we ain't even got to get into that. Obviously, I would recommend it. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4" and this is 18 inches. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. Y'all let me know down below if you are feeling it as much as I am. Once again, shout out to you, ISEEHAIR, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm HealthyMissy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love complete.